In this two-part video, we will demonstrate how to replace the LSC controller SD card and screen. You will only need a 2mm Allen key. To replace the SD card, first, make sure you unplug power from your LSC. Then, remove the 4 screws on the front panel. Pull away the front panel, being mindful not to drop the loose blue covering panel. Now, replace the SD card. Then reattach the front panel with the 4 screws. Then reconnect power to your LSC. Replacing the SD card will reset your settings, so ensure the correct gauge type is selected in the settings menu. If you are unsure how to do this, watch the instructional video linked here. To get started, first, make sure you unplug power from your LSC. Then, remove the 4 screws on the front panel. Set aside the blue panel. And then pull out the screen panel. On the back, you'll find a ribbon cable. Disconnect it carefully. Next, remove the SD card and put it into your new screen. Securely connect your new screen to the ribbon cable. Put back the blue covering panel. Then, reattach the front panel with the 4 screws. Now, reconnect power to your LSC and make sure your new screen is working properly. You're all done.